The crypto space is back with another monad update for you guys. Monad just under 2 cent at 215 mil, 216 if you want to round it off, 260 mil market cap. We're gonna be diving into an update of a meme coin gem that we've covered on the channel before in the monad ecosystem. But like I've said in previous videos, guys, I'm always starting off the videos when I talk about these meme projects in monad, talking about monad itself. Because you should definitely have 90 to 95% in monad, right? 90 to 95% in monad, not your entire portfolio, but in when you're talking about monad and the ecosystem, you have most of your money in monad, and then just maybe like 5%, 1 to 5% in the ecosystem, playing around with it, because the ecosystem is going to be high risk, high reward. But you could probably, if once monad explodes, which I truly believe it will for 2026, once that does happen, the ecosystem will also explode. And then you could see 100,000x moves on $100, $200, you know, in the space of a year, right? Because that's what I'm giving monad for its time for it to have its own bull run. I'm giving monad the year of 2026 for that to happen. Going into the end of the year, if we get a Santa Claus rally, which I think we will get that Santa Claus rally, and then going into the end of the year to start off the year with a bang, monad just goes on a tear for the entire year to the upside. And, you know, it's an outlier in the space, right? So, monad in a great spot right here. It's in a very great spot. And the meme that we're going to be taking a look at is Shramp. I've covered it before. Like I said, don't invest more than you're willing to lose, please. I saw someone comment and say they put $1,000 into the project. Please don't invest more than you're willing to lose, right? Please do not do that, right? I think $126 into Shramp is more than enough, right? That is fine. $127 gets you 1 million tokens. All you need is 1 million tokens, because Shramp could potentially go to 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 mil market cap, right? There is the possibility of that taking place, right? It could go even higher than that, right? I like Shramp because of it's based off a little shrimp that is art. And the art could be anything, right? They just make the Shramp character into any media, any type of media that you could think of, right? So it could be movies, TV shows, anime, you name it, right? And they're doing a lot of updates as well, getting verified in, Monad Scan, getting partnerships with Monad Name Service. There's a lot happening here, right? So that's why I think, Shramp is a good little bet, good little gamble, right? You have to call it a gamble. You have to do so. It's not truly an investment. Monad is the investment, right? But in the ecosystem, these gambles could play off, right? So yeah, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. When I saw the guy say he bought $1,000 worth, I was like, why would you do that? And then if something goes wrong, he's gonna come to my comment section and be like, "Oh, you told me to buy this," right? Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. $127, I don't think it's gonna break the bank. If something does go awry, right? Does go wrong, right? Just a little small investment that could potentially become massive, right? And yeah, I like all these memes that I'm checking out on the channel. Like I said, the reason why I love monad so much, because I'm actually using the chain, and it's so fast, it's so seamless. It has such a great community around it as well, right? There's such a tight-knit community. It's giving me early XRP, right? You see how the XRP community is so cult-like. They don't want to hear no type of logic, right? You could tell them XRP is going to $1,000 per coin, and they're gonna say yes, it is. They're gonna think that is truly possible. They don't care about market cap, none of that. They just have the belief in XRP. And I see the same thing with monad. So, having a little bit of exposure to the ecosystem, in my opinion, can't go wrong with that, because more likely than not, when monad starts to explode, which I truly think it will, so will the ecosystem, okay? So that was a quick update for you guys. As always, none of this is financial advice. Like the video, subscribe. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.